we'll be covering in this video is how to add Google Maps into your website. It's a similar process to adding a YouTube video. So what we should do first, as we did when we made space for our previous video here, is duplicate the article tag. So to do that again, we're just going to be working with this tag right here. We're going to right click the article and select duplicate. That way we'll have our second video. Now we don't want that video there, of course, so let's go ahead and remove, being our last article one here, that information. And now let's, however, add some information we want for our map tag. So this is the map, and let's comment that out, and then just easy housekeeping, end of map. That way we know we can place that in there and just make it easy for us later on. So what we need to do is go to a Google browser and search a location. So I have searched Conestoga College, as we can see here, and I'm going to go to the maps section. Now they change this from time to time, but it's generally, first I'm going to zoom in a little more. I want to be able to get to a slightly closer spot, select menu, and then all we have to select is right below print. So just to show that again, selecting the little hamburger menu we have here in the top left, share or embed map. We want to embed a map. And what that's doing for us is it's generating an iframe, very similar to what we had in the YouTube video. I'm going to go with, let's see, what do we have? Small. That looks like a pretty good size. Happy with that. We just do copy the HTML, so it copies that right there. And then we just go back to Dreamweaver, press Ctrl V to paste that in. And now you can see we have our map available here. Problem is, we originally said iframe as the rule to float left, and that means all iframes will float left. So we should modify this code right here to be slightly different. And to do that, we can actually use the DOM element. I'll show you how you can use this pretty easily. So inside of our paragraph, we have our iframe. If we double click it right here, you can see, so we've double clicked, we can apply a class right next to it. So rather than having to type in the code, we just type map, and now you can see it has the class map. And let's just do dot map for the class, and float right, and we'll do our exclamation mark to do important, meaning we want to make sure this rule is the one that's absolutely for this one. And then when we go back and forth, any luck, you can see we have now our map on the right hand side. And when we go ahead and save and preview this in Chrome, we now have our map available on here. What we're going to do as a follow-up to that is turn this section into a form and later generate a contact page.